Hello, today my 12th lecture on complex analysis for 5th SEM DSC students. I'm Ms. RANJANA DUTTA from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss some examples on complex analysis. Here, see the example given. See the example, show that the function given is continuous and as well as analytic everywhere. So fz is given to you, hence fz also be continuous everywhere. If again del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, and del v by del y are calculated. Again, we know the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Del u by del x is equal to del v by del y, and del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x. Must check whether the Cauchy-Riemann equation is satisfied or not. Here it is satisfying. Now going to the next question. Show that the function f is equal to xy plus iy is everywhere and a constant but not analytic. So here fz is equal to u plus iv, and uxy can be written as xy, that is the real part, and vxy can be written as y. Y. So we calculate del u by del x and del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y. Here the Cauchy-Riemann equation is satisfied, hence the fz is not satisfied. Cauchy-Riemann equation is not satisfied, hence fz is not analytic at any point. Next example. Show that the function fz given and f0 given is not analytic at z equal to 0. Although Cauchy-Riemann equation are satisfied at the point. So u plus z is equal to u plus iv, so hence e to the power x plus iy, and replacing z by x plus iy, we can write the function. So u plus I, so u is separated and v is separated. Now doing at z equal to 0, del u by del x at z equal to 0, that means here we put del u by del x equal to 0, and we get equal to 0. Now del u by del y, limit y tends to 0 is equal to 0, and del v by del x is 0, and del v by del y is also equal to 0. Hence, the Cauchy-Riemann equation condition are satisfied at z equal to 0. Here, we for analytic function we do another thing also, that is f dash z is equal to fz minus fa by z, that is here f dash 0 is equal to, we have to check whether fz minus f0 by z when z tends to 0, and this is after calculation gives us, after calculation which gives us whatever you can see on your screen. Show that the f dash z does not exist at z equal to 0. Hence, fz may not be analytic at z is equal to 0. Now, take another example. Prove that the function fz is equal to u plus iv, where fz is given and shown. So you can be separating real and imaginary parts. We can see what u and v. Now again, applying the same procedure, At the origin, u is equal to 0 and r is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, hence f0 is 0. So del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y are calculated as shown. Here del u by del x is equal to del v by del y and del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x. Hence the Cauchy-Riemann equation is satisfied. But the f dash 0, which can be written as limit z tends to 0 fz minus f0 by z, after substituting the values of z and f0, we can see that f dash 0, whatever you can see. Again, at z equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we get f dash 0 is equal to 1 plus I. And again, if z is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, we get the value of f dash 0, which is different from this value. So we can say that the f dash 0 is not unique. Again, f dash 0 calculated when x equal to 0 and f dash 0 calculated when y equal to 0. These two are different. So that we say that f dash 0 is not unique. That is, the values of f dash 0 are not the same as z tends to 0 along the different curves. Hence, f dash z does not exist at the origin. Again, let fz is given and f0 is given, and you can write it as fz as u plus iv. Separating u and v, we can see ux, we can calculate ux and vy as shown. Similarly, ux is equal to 0 and vy is also equal to 0. Hence, the Cauchy-Riemann equation are satisfied at the origin. Now z tends to 0, limit fz minus f0 by z is equal to limit x equal to 0 and put at the center y is equal to, along the radius vector, we can say the y is equal to mx. So substituting the value of y is equal to mx, we get the value is equal to half, showing that the f dash 0 does not exist. Sorry, when x equal to 0, we get that is equal to 0, and when y is equal to 0, we get we on the curve y square equal to x to the power something, we get f dash does not exist. Hence, since the two values are different, so f dash 0 does not exist. Similarly, show that the value fz is equal to root of x y naught. So here we can separating the real and imaginary part. You calculate del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, and check whether the Cauchy-Riemann equation is satisfied or not. Here it is satisfied. Now again f dash 0 when z equal to 0, that is replacing z equal to 0 and y equal to mx, and substituting the value of and then we see that the value depend upon m. This value comes about and which depends about m. So for different values of m, we will get different f dash 0. So Here f dash z is not analytic. Here fz is not analytic at the origin, although Cauchy-Riemann equations are satisfied. Today this much only. Thank you.